Hi guys, today we'll discuss what about data science, right? So data science is nothing. Data science people, what the people of data science does, they just visualizing the data and understanding the data, converting data into value. Okay, like our human values, we have different values. So our business have some values. So to convert the data into business value, the data science people work on that. Also along with that, the main part is to solve the business problems. To solving the business problems, data science people rigorously working on that part. Okay, so next we'll see what are the daily routine of data science. The team of the data science team, what they do in their daily work. So in daily routine, for example, a customer comes to me and they are having some problems. So what is our task first? We need to understand their problems. We need to understand the business problems. So understanding the problem is the first task. Then after, what we'll do, we'll collecting the data from different data sources, whatever the data is required for to solve that problem. We need to understand, we need to collect the data first. So it may be different sources like web services, cloud services, different databases, APIs, logs, and online repositories. So after collecting data, then what we to do? What we have to do? We'll do the sampling. We need not work on the whole data. This is a big data. The volume is very large. It may be very large. It may be crore of rows, crore of data features are there. So we need to sample the data. It may be down sample. It may be, if data is very less, then we need to upsample the data. If data is very high, we need to downsample the data. So understanding of the data and then sampling the data. Then also you have to work on, if you receive a big data like Hadoop, we need to work on that also. Also we need to work on cloud management, AWS, Google, Azure like services. Okay, after that data engineering part comes into the picture. What is data engineering? What they do, the data cleaning part, data transformation part, data preparation and processing. Okay, this is also called feature engineering. Okay, what features actually required to solve the problems? We need to finalize the features means attributes, the different variables. What are the variables we require? Okay, what are the different columns we require? That is the work of the data engineers. Not only they're finalizing the features or the selecting the features, but it is also very large scope is there. Data cleaning, transformation. Okay, transforming the data into a particular understanding way. And also there is different data modeling also required. Okay, then exploratory data analysis is comes into the picture. The insight generation, selecting the features, developing the models. To develop the models, we need to first understand after generating the different insights. Okay, that is called data analysis. After that, we need some requirement of mathematics, statistical data analysis. Okay, and after that, we need to prepare out the model. There are different techniques we are used to prepare a model like machine learning model, AI and deep learning. Different model we'll discuss further. Then the selecting the best model. We have, suppose for example, one problem, we have created different models and we need to finalize which model is best for that problem. Then after that we need to deploy that model and maintaining the models. Then after that, what we'll do, again we have to visualize the tool with the help of different tools, analytical tools like Tableau, Power BI and ClickView. To convince the customer, we need to further convince the customer, this is the solution we come and these are the, after the solution, these are the results. Then we need to productionalize our model. Okay, after finalizing the model, we need to productionalize it. We need to fit the model into our system. Then after that, real-time analysis. When it is productionalized, after that we need to continuous real-time analysis we need to do. Okay, then another question arises, so what is the difference between AI, ML, DL? And this complete picture is called the data science, everything together. Though if you see the AI is, if you see this circle, this is the top circle is the AI. What does AI? AI is like a self-driving car. AI is artificial intelligence that enables the machine to think and work like a AI app. Our topmost goal is this. We need to create an AI app, the self-driven car. Okay. Then the subset of this AI is an machine learning. Okay, the machine learning, it includes the statistical models which helps to solve the problems. Then again it is categorized into three categories: supervised machine learning, unsupervised machine learning, reinforcement, semi supervised machine learning. So supervised means we have our target, we know what are the features required, and we develop the model, and we train and test the model, and we fit our model. Okay, that is the supervised. Unsupervised, we do not know what is my target. We have like clustering. We need to create different groups. We need to we need to divide our whole data set in different groups. Okay, that is unsupervised, and the mix of these two are reinforcement semi supervised machine learning. Then another thing is here comes that deep learning, that is deep learning, that is a machine learning which is like to understand the machine, to work on the machine, and to it is a mimic like our head of the man people. Okay, the machine starts mimicking the people's memory like a human. It works. That is called deep learning. So deep learning again divided into three categories. One is the ANN, artificial neural network, convolutional neural network, and that's the recurring neural network. ANN to solve the data in the form of numbers. If my data is in the form of numbers, then we use the ANN technique. CN, convolutional neural network, where it does work when my data is in the form of images, in the form of videos, in the form of audios, like different data are there. So we need to use the convolutional neural network. And there is also another, that is a recurring neural network to solve the data in the form of time series. For example, we are having the different dates, different years, dates, date wise transaction is there, month wise transaction is there, different data in the time series. Data is in the form of time series. Then we need to use the recurring neural network. So this is whole thing is called as data science. If people having this knowledge, all this knowledge, along with that some statistical mathematical knowledge, okay, then this is totally as a whole is called data science. And for that people, there are different sectors again divided into data science. The data engineers are there, machine learning engineers are there, artificial engineers are there. Okay, so these are the different aspect of data science. And further, if you see here, the data engineers are there, the scientific methods are there. We use math, we use mathematics, statistics, we use advanced computing, we use different visualization techniques, and the domain expert is the most important. This is all about data science. Thank you so much for watching me, and please like and subscribe my channel if yet you have not done. Thank you so much for watching my video. Thank you so much. Have a nice day.